I've been wanting to make this video for quite some time. And so the reason why I waited so long is because I finally got to do it. So anyway, this Mustang, this is a 1990 Mustang LX 5.0. And I had it across the street, sitting for 2.5 years. It was my son's car. We started it once in a while. We finally get it back over here. We want to sell it. I'm doing some work to it. And the car wouldn't start. So after we actually changed the TFI module, which is here, no dice, nothing happened. Then I said, what the heck? It's an old coil, the original factory coil. We changed the coil there, no dice. So we're still not getting any spark. It's not doing anything. So after doing some research, I found out about a PIP sensor, which I don't know if you guys have ever heard about, but I didn't hear about it. So what I did is I said, oh, maybe the distributor's bad. So luckily I have another Mustang here, and I took the distributor out of that Mustang and I put it in this Mustang, and the car fired right up. So I want to show you guys, if you're not blessed to have two of the cars like I was, what the problem might be. You can try another distributor. And so what I did, I actually saved the distributor, which is here, and this is actually the PIP sensor on the right here, this little sensor right there. And what that actually does, it actually fires the injectors and fires the distributor at the same time, so the car will actually start in sequence. So if you've got a Mustang that you're pulling your hair out over, a 5.0, and you can't get it started and it's got that distributor, that might be your problem. And by the way, just to cover myself, we did change the cap and rotor, and that didn't do anything. And the battery. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hope it helps somebody. Thank you.